How to delete your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Now, navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now, here you're gonna find defense section. Head over to the section Account Center. Now, navigate to the option Personal Details. Click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Now, select the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook username. You will get two options, delete account and deactivate account. Select the option delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Now click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. Then click on continue. Click on continue again. Now scroll down. Now from this page you are able to download any information. If you want to do so, click on the option download info, check in for the information that you want to download and go through it. Once you do that, click on continue. Now type in your password over here and click on continue. Just for that, your account will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete your Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.